my name is Sydney Pacheco. I'm a pre-sale software specialist at AnyWare Apps, and today I'll be showing you how to manage your conversations in the social CRM AnyWare. To do so, you could just go to this chat tab that I'm in right now, and it will bring you to this initial page. Under Teams Inbox or My Inbox or Internal Chat, you can filter through what messages you want to see, so unread, recent, starred, or all under each specific inbox. And then if you move one column over, you'll see all of the different contacts that you are in conversation with under that tab. You can search through them using the search box here, or filter through them using these quick filters. So let's say I wanted to create a new message with one of my contacts. You could either do a direct message, a group message, or do an internal chat with a team member if you wanted to discuss something about a specific contact, but you don't want that contact to see that discussion. For demonstration purposes, I'll just do a direct message. And you would just type in the name of the contact you want to message, and it'll bring up these different options in the drop-down menu. So I'm just going to select Kevin. And because he was already selected, nothing much changed, but it'll change depending on the contact you choose. On the top middle, it'll show you all of your conversation history with that contact. You can then down here choose what form of communication you want to use with that contact. This contact, I only have their email, but you could also set their phone number on the right-hand side if you wanted to, for example, send them an SMS message. But for demonstration purposes, I'll just do an email. So you just set the subject here, and then you can put the body of the email here. Obviously, this isn't how I would normally write an email, but this is just for the demo. And you can attach any images you might want to attach, add any custom values, insert a snippet, add a link. You also have more options like attaching files. You can request a payment, insert an emoji. Once that body looks good, you can then head over to the right-hand side before you decide to send the message and just verify that all your information looks correct. You can make sure that for example, that the contact doesn't have any D&D toggled on so that they get the message. You can view any appointments with that contact, any tasks assigned to that contact, as well as notes, if there's any notes you wanted to refer to. And once everything looks good, you can either directly send the message, or you can choose to schedule send a message to that contact here. And you just set the send schedule. And in the history, as you can see, I have the test email for demonstration scheduled for March 20th at 10 a.m. As a final note, I also wanted to say you could do internal comments. You can mention a team member that you want to discuss about that contact, and you would just put their name here. I'm just going to put that. And then you would just write the internal message afterwards and press send. And the contact that the internal comment is about won't see this internal comment. So it'll only be between you and your team members. And that's about everything I wanted to show you for the chat. Thank you for your time.